Hey there gamers, in this video I'm going to talk to you about how you can get the dark Ringleader's leather gloves in Crimson Desert. So first things first, you want to come to the top of the waterfall on the map. That's at Cloud Mist Cave just here. And what you're going to want to do here is actually just come over to the ledge at the top of the waterfall. And if you look down there, you'll actually see that there is a bit of a ledge just before you get to the bottom. So I'm going to jump off here and show you as we glide down. So this is the ledge that we're aiming for just in front of me here. I'm just going to gently glide down. And you'll actually see that there's a little stone statue here as well for reference next to us. And what you want to do is basically come up to the waterfall, take out your sword. And then when you take out your sword, you're going to want to charge up a stab attack. So for the keyboard and mouse that I'm using, it's shift right click, and you can see that I've just charged it up there. And basically I'm going to show that one more time here, so you'll actually see that it will light up when it's fully charged, just like such. And then what we want to do in order to actually get into the waterfall is come straight up to the waterfall like this, charge up the attack, point at the waterfall, and then you'll find that we actually go inside. And here we are. All we need to do now is go ahead and take the loot. And there we have it. We've now looted the Dark Ringleader's leather gloves seen here. So I really hope that this tutorial helped. Please do drop a like and subscribe if it did, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.